trips and found it has its good and it's bad. I'll explain to you soon all about it. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're doing an unboxing of the Bluetti AC2A portable power station. Bluetti sent me this for free, which I'm most eternally grateful for. Now I have tested this unit over several camping trips and found it has its good and it's bad. I'll explain to you soon all about it. So we'll just get this unboxed. I'll give you a look at the unit itself and we'll just take it from there. So let's unbox the unit. I'll show you what you get. Now Bluetti, as I said, they sent this to me for free. It retails at the moment about $3.99 AU dollars, which is up there, but it's up there. Now it comes with one box here. Now what's in the box here is all the power cables. I'll show you those soon. It also comes with the obligatory warranty. It has a 5-year warranty on the unit, which is pretty good, I think. A 5-year warranty is, you know, something special. I've kept all the packaging, so we'll just take the unit out. Now the unit itself has a 300 watt pure sine wave inverter with a maximum of 600 watt output, which is fairly impressive, and it runs whisper quiet, just quietly. Just quietly, it runs whisper quiet. Yeah, I know. It comes with a Life Pro 4 battery, 3,000 charge cycles, 204.8 watts is the total capacity unit, otherwise known as 8 amp hours for us. It also has a MPPT solar input. Oh, it's a big word. I always struggle with that one. And that's just there. So it could take up to a 200 watt solar panel. The cables for that are included. It also has a 240 input here for at home when you're charging up at home. It takes about 40 minutes to take it up to 80% full charge capacity, and then it takes a while after that. It also has the cigarette input or output, as you would say. It has a USB-C 100 watt, a USB-A 2.4 volt amps, or whatever it is, for, yeah, whatever that is, and that one there. You'll have to have a good look at it. I'll zoom in or something like that. Obviously has an on and off button, and with the unit itself, you just turn it on, and it will give you your best battery capacity. It's at 98% now because this is the second take of this video, so sorry about that one. The pure sine wave inverter, the AC, the DC turns on. We'll plug a few things into the unit, and I'll show you that. But first, I'll show you the cables that you do get with the unit itself. Now, nothing wrong with the cables. It has the 240 volt connection to home, so you can charge it up before you leave home. It also comes with the cables for your solar panel attachments. Now, the only thing they do is they use these solar connections here rather than an Anderson plug. They're supplying to the world market, so it is what it is. You could always cut these off and put an Anderson plug in there so you can charge it up. But this is the big but. The only thing it doesn't have is a portable charger. So like if you're driving down the road and you're in your car obviously and you want to charge this up on the go, it doesn't come with it, which is a shame. It's probably something they maybe think of at a later stage. Now this is their smallest unit in their range. It has a flat top here. It is not a wireless charger. I know some of the other units do have a wireless charger. There is an app you can download, so you can access all your Bluetti products through the app and turn them on and off and monitor your power outage and your power inage. I don't have the app installed because I didn't really need the app. Now, as I've said previously, I have used this on a lot of camping trips and found it to be adequate. And I mean just adequate for my purposes. I've charged iPhones, iPads, GoPro batteries, my Apple Watch and all the rest of it, and it does take a lot out of the unit itself. So I'll just plug a few of those things in and show you basically how it works. Now I don't have any USB-C devices, sorry, I'm an old school, I have A still. So I'll just plug a few things in there and I'll show you how that works. It's pretty simple. I think we all know how they work. So I'll get some stuff. Now all I've really got is my iPad mini, which I use when I'm out camping. It's got all my HEMA maps and things like that in there. So the unit's still powered on. Plug it in. Boom, it's on. iPad mini is a bit down on charge, so it should draw a little bit of power out of it. And there is a power meterage there and tells you how much power it's actually taking out of the unit itself when you're charging devices. I'll give you a look at that nice and close. Okay, I've got some devices plugged in, as I just said, the watch and the iPad mini. It's drawn 7 watts currently out of it. It's got no input, obviously, because we're not putting any power in it, we're just draining the power out. Drawbacks of the unit. I've used it a few times, been out camping, and I've had all my devices plugged into it, iPads, watches, iPhones, GoPro batteries, and it does drain a lot of power. It doesn't have a lot of storage capacity, this particular unit, for me. Bigger would have been better for me, but I'm happy that I got it anyway. Now, the positive about something like this, if you're looking at investing in a Bluetti, is probably it'd be great for the kids in their tent, or maybe up in a rooftop tent where you don't have power running to there and you want to run your electric blankets or just charge your devices up in the roof. It'd be great for that for kids. Plug it in there, kids can take off. It's lightweight, so it's enough for them to put in their tent, keep the devices all charged up. Bigger would have been better, but I'm happy anyway. I'll keep using the unit for some time now. I'll keep you updated, see how we go with it. But as I said, I think bigger would have been better for me. So think about your storage battery needs when you purchase something like this. As I said, this was $3.99 currently in Australia at retail, and there is a small delivery charge. So Bluetti, thank you very much for supplying me with this unit and letting me review it. And I'm more than happy to recommend it for its purpose that it's fit for, which I think would be for in a tent. Alright guys, hope you got something out of the video. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. And the Bluetti unit gives a thumbs up for me for the moment, and we'll see how we go. Alright, cheers.